Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the color of the moving average in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader. And as you can see here, we have this 200 moving average. So let's say, for example, you want to change the color. All you have to do is right click on it, or you can go here. We have here simple moving average. We have here the color white, and click on this setting icon here, properties. Okay, it's the same thing. Now go to lines and choose this square. Here we have here colors, as you can see. Click on it and you can choose any color you want. So let's choose, for example, yellow. As you can see, the color has been changed. Let's choose, for example, red. Okay, I think that you get the idea. Now you can choose any color you want. Okay, so let's keep it, for example, on red and click on OK. And as you can see, the color has been changed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.